Welcome back, everyone. So today we're talking about form, form, right? Form. I believe most of you might have seen form, right? For example, a new user to Facebook, you're asked to sign in, right? Create a form or create account details, right? What do you have to fill your form? Your name, your password, and all those things, right? Then submit it. All those things are forms. So I fill a form. Okay. So what's the form? Form is used to collect data from a user. Form have different elements like input, label, text area, button, and the rest. An input has different types. Please, this is very important. Input has different types. Okay. Now let's go to our VS Code. First I'll do. I'll come here. I write a comment. Say, let me write form. Then I'll comment. I'll write comments. Okay. Now the tag for form is form. If you want to create a form, first you duplicate the tag. If you want to create a form, first you duplicate the word, the form. Write form. O-R-M, right? Press enter. Now in case you didn't see this action on your own, don't worry. In case you didn't see this action on your own part, don't worry. It's fine. Now come here between the form, here. Press enter. So the other part will go down. So this other part will move down. That part here will move down. Press enter. Okay. Now let's say you want to create a form, right? You want to create a form that has full name, your email, password, and the rest. Okay. Now first thing we'll do, I'll bring up my label. Right. See, what you mean by label? When you see something like at the top, ask your full name. To achieve that, we use label. Okay. Now let's write label. Now label, what should be on the label? Let's say I want to write full name. Full name, right? Full name. I just need here now. I'll come here again now. I said I want to now when you want to write your name, that box you want to write your name, it's called input. Remember that I said input have different types. I'll come here and I'll say input. Right? I see the box now. I see it. This is input. Okay. This type, and the type is test. I'll come here again. I'll say that I want to now I want to talk about password now. Password. Next one should be password. I'll come and say label. I'll say I'll come between the label. I'll write password. Sorry, I'm using calculator. Password. Password, right? I just need it now. Now I'll come here. I will say input. Now my input now no longer be test again. I'll come here and say I want to be password. But let me show you something, right? Now when I'm writing here now it's showing, right? I want to change it to password so that when I'm typing you won't see my words. Right? I'll say password, right? Password. So I'm typing now. You won't see the word again. You see that I'm typing, you won't see it again. Right? I believe you are following, right? Now come here now. Now I want this name to be at the top here. And this input should be at the bottom. What I will do, I'll come here, I'll write break. I'll remember break. Write BRO. Enter. As break, I'll break it. I'll come again. I want this other one to go down as well. I'll write BRO. Enter. I see it's going down. Same thing here. BRO. Enter. Alright. So we have this now. Okay, and next one I want to do is email. Email. All right. Okay, let me write email. Label. We write email. We come here, write email. Right. So the input should be let's use email. So we'll give you email. I think we should give you email now. I'll break it. Yeah. Can we break this other one here? Yeah. Okay. I see it now. Because I'm using email, instantly it selects my email I have here. So that's the email I have here. Alright, so that's my email for me. I see it. Okay. Now next one um talk about, for example, now you have something like drop down when you ask a question, say select your country. Alright, select your country. Select your country. Now let's do that now. Let's use select. Now select, right? And this select now should have options. I see now show options here. Now we'll come here, write options here. Let's say the name we want to use here, say country, let's say country name. I'll come here, I'll say the options. I'll say say Nigeria. Nigeria. I'll come again, I'll say the option again. You remember that the option is inside the select, please, inside the select. Okay. I will say the Ghana, right? This one, say the option again. I'll say Japan, right? Japan. I'll say I'll come again. I'll consider say that you can actually write the value here, right? The value here, you can say Nigeria as well. Sorry. Let's see Nigeria. Okay. Are you seeing it now? I'll still write it Ghana here as well. Okay, let's continue, say USA. USA. Okay. Let me break it down. Let me break it. So to start from the beginning. Where should I break this from here, right? From here. I'll break it from here. Okay, I see you have it now here, right? You can actually select the country you want. Which you want from here. Okay. I want to put line here, so I want to put line here. So it's easier for us to understand what we are doing. Okay. Alright, next what I want to do is now for example, now when you're answering a question online, right? Online, you see something like circle or a square. Say tick this, right? Tick this, tick this, tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. So tick the correct answer. Now to do that now, we use radio. Have what called radius, right? Radius. Okay, let's say I write label. So label I'll say female, right? Then I'll bring out the input. Or sorry, you can actually use something like this. You can actually use can do it this way. You can say input first. You can say input first. Input first. Then I'll change the input to radius. To radius. I just need now circle. You can actually choose from there, right? Then the other one should be input again. Let me break it. BR. You come again and say the input, right? Change to radius. Do you know why it's showing this cycle? Because of change to radius, this one here. Right? That's why it's showing this radius means the circle here. Okay. Let's say radius again. Radius. Come see label. Label, I'll say the female or male. Or you can actually choose any of them you want to use. You can actually choose any of them you want to use. Alright. Now there's one again here that has square. Right? You say tick on it, you tick on that one, right? So that you can actually use correct checkbox now. Look at it here, checkbox, isn't it? So if you want to achieve this, you use a checkbox. You want to achieve this, use radius. Now, okay, so I won't waste more time here. Now, when you are done, for example, now you open you have a complaint or you went to a website. It says fill in this for your complaint, right? You say a big boss. You say write comment, right? Write comment. Big boss where you can write enough word because you can write enough word here, words here, right? Enough words here. It will be enough to write your complaint on. So write comment, right? Comment. So to use that to bring out that big box, we use what's called test area. That big box, this is not input type again. This is a test area that is very big where you can write your input on. So where you can write your comment on. Right? You write test area. Test area. This test area. I want to show you guys test area. Test area. Right? Test area. This is test area. Let's do it now. Let me put this one here. This is test area. Test area. Right, so you can write different word on. I have enough space to write what I want to write. So to achieve this big box, use what's called test area. Test area. Okay. And test area has column and row. Right? The column is the height here. The rows is the 10 here. Right? Let me use 5. Let's say 5 to reduce it to reduce. Right? This is the row. Now you see column. Let me increase the column to 60. So you see it. I see it. Column. Row is like this. Row is like this, right? Okay. The next one, after you finish filling your form, you must submit your details, right? To submit your details, this is what's called button. A button. So I have something like submit. Let me break this thing. This thing is too much. This thing. They have button, right? Button. I use. So let me break this thing. I use submit, right? Submit. Submit. This is a button you click on. When you're done, click on the button. On the button. This is how to create a form. Okay, this is how to do what? Create a form. This input, you have different type of input type, different type. There are many, very, very many. There are plenty. There are many, right? There are many here. You have for date. Let me change this one to date. Let me show you something. The first one, let me change to date. Date. You see, it should do something like date here, isn't it? Give me date here. Date. And also, I think we have something like color. Color. Do you have something like color? I think so. It's okay. This page, right? It's not like color. Yes, color. You can actually pick color. Pick your color. Pick your color. Yeah. We have any type of input type, different type. Okay. All right. Please, I'm going to send the assignment to the group. Assignment to the group now. Assignment to the group. All right. Please watch this and do the assignment for me. Okay. Thank you.